Welcome to All About Decorations, where we bring you the best home decor ideas to transform your living spaces into stylish, comfortable, and personalized havens. Whether you're revamping your entire home or just looking to add a few finishing touches, today's video will guide you through stunning yet simple home decoration ideas that can make a big impact. Let's dive in. Living room. The living room is the heart of the home. To create a welcoming space, focus on key elements like furniture arrangement, lighting, and textures. Start by positioning your furniture to encourage conversation. Opt for comfortable seating and consider adding a mix of cushions in various sizes and colors to add depth. Use warm lighting, such as table lamps or floor lamps, to create a cozy atmosphere. One trick that can make any room feel larger is using mirrors strategically. Place them opposite a window to reflect natural light and visually open up the space. Bedroom. Moving on to the bedroom. This space should feel like your personal sanctuary. Begin by choosing a calming color palette. Soft hues like pastels, light grays, and beiges are perfect for creating a serene environment. Layering textures is key in the bedroom. A plush rug by the bed, soft linens, and throw blankets can add coziness. Don't forget to accessorize with personal touches such as framed photos, artwork, or scented candles to make the room feel uniquely yours. Kitchen and dining area. Now let's talk about the kitchen and dining area, where functionality meets style. Open shelving is a fantastic way to display your beautiful kitchenware while keeping things accessible. Consider adding decorative elements like plants, bowls of fresh fruit, or elegant containers for your ingredients. For the dining area, your table centerpiece can set the tone. Fresh flowers or a beautiful fruit bowl can add a pop of color, while candles can bring warmth for cozy, intimate dinners. Bathroom. The bathroom is often an overlooked space when it comes to decor. However, small changes can make a big difference. Invest in matching towels, stylish soap dispensers, and a chic shower curtain. Add a touch of nature with plants. Whether real or faux, they instantly elevate the space. For a spa-like feel, roll your towels and store them in baskets, and consider adding candles or diffusers with calming scents like lavender or eucalyptus. Outdoor spaces. Don't forget your outdoor spaces. Whether you have a small balcony or a larger backyard, you can create a welcoming outdoor retreat. Consider comfortable seating like lounge chairs or a hammock, and decorate with outdoor cushions and throws. String lights or lanterns can transform your space into a magical evening escape, perfect for relaxing or entertaining. Adding potted plants or even a vertical garden can bring the outdoors to life, even in small spaces. And there you have it. Easy and effective ways to refresh your home's decor. Remember, it's all about creating a space that reflects your personal style and makes you feel happy and comfortable. If you enjoyed these tips, make sure to subscribe to All About Decorations and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest home decor inspiration. Thanks for watching.